Well, howdy, howdy. Amaryllis man reporting for duty. Occasionally, you might find one of your bulbs that sprouts early and bends some of the flower stalk, as these have done. So the way to pull them up is just to get them next to a heat source like this lamp. And it don't take too long, they'll straighten up. This one was crooked also, and see how it's straightened already. A little trick that you might utilize somewhere along the way. Look how far that one's bent. Give it another day or two and it'll be straight, standing up like it ought to. Well, hope that blesses you. Come see us on our Amaryllis Man site. We still have quite a few forest bulbs to choose from. Well, God bless. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.